You're about to transform the look of your bathroom with a MirrorMate frame. It's easy. We send you a frame kit with 4 frame pieces marked top and bottom. Lay them face down and slide something under each corner to protect your frame and floor. If a marker is included with your frame, color the upper edges of each corner to help reduce any visible join lines. If no marker is included, this step is not necessary. Next, identify the connectors for each corner. Most frames include short and long connectors. The interior hole will take the long connector. To begin corner assembly, apply glue lightly to one side and align corner. You don't need much glue. A thin coating will do. Insert the short connector in the outer slot and tap it in. Next, insert the long connector in the inner slot. Feel beneath the frame corner to make sure pieces meet tightly. Now, do the same for each corner. Carefully turn the frame over. Wipe off any glue with a damp cloth and adjust legs if necessary, so heights match. While the glue dries, clean the area where the frame will apply with the alcohol wipes. No Windex or glass cleaner, please. Now that the glue is dry, test fit the frame to the mirror. Prepare by removing the tape backing from the placement corner blocks. Then, lift the frame into place. Looks good? Press the placement corners to the mirror in the top corners so they support the frame. Next, take the frame back down and peel off the frame's tape backing. You're almost there. Without touching the frame to the mirror, use the placement corners to guide the frame toward the mirror. Starting at the top, firmly push the frame to the mirror and work your way around. Remove the placement corners, and you're finished. Don't you love it?